Hello everyone. To make table in Google Docs, first step in your document, click on any place you want insert table. After that, on the top, click on insert. From table, select a size, for example 3 to 3, and click on it. As you see, a table insert to our document. And if you want to add any column or add any row, one click on any cells, right click on it, and now we have a 4 option: insert row above, insert row below, insert column left, insert column right, and any direction of that cell we choose. For example, I click on insert a row above and insert column left. As you see, we insert a column and row. For delete any row or column, for example in this section, I right click on it. You can choose delete row of that cell you click, or delete column. For example, I delete column, and from here again right click and delete a row. And for more settings, right click on your table and from menu click on table properties, and as you see in your right, we have a table properties. You can choose quick layout based on your document and you want put your table between the text. We have a table style and we have a column. For column, you can change the column with, for example, in the first cell I select, if you turn on this feature, you can change the size as you see, and another cell you select and turn on, and for example, and for row we have a minimum row height. You can change height. For example, I on that cell turn on and you see the change, and other change for cell. For cell you can choose the cell vertical alignment and more settings. And we have another important color which you can access from here or access from toolbar. For any your, we review this from toolbar. And for example, for change any color or any border color of your table, for example, I want this row become red as a background. For that, from toolbar, from background color, I choose the red one, and you can insert your text, for example test 1 or more settings. And also for row, I import another row. I select the row or column. For column, and again from the background color I choose the, and you can put your text. Also we have another option. We can change the border color. For example, select the all table or any cell you want. After that, we have a border color. You can change the border color or any color you want for any cells or all table. And If you want, delete all the cell, and you can use the delete table. If you right click on your table, from menu click on delete table, your table will be deleted. Also, another important note, if you want to merge a cell, two cells for example, or any cells, select the cells, right click on it, and click on merge cells from menu. As you see, we merge these cells. And other settings you can access from right click and for your table, make a table. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.